Good morning, and I hope you had a phenomenal Christmas. I know at the Phillips household we had we had a great Christmas. We had a marathon Christmas. We started Christmas Eve with my second daughter and her family, and then we started out Christmas morning at 9 o'clock serving breakfast, and then at 11 o'clock a whole crew of my kids showed up and their kids, and so all the grandkids were there. Well, most of the grandkids were there, and then as my kids were leaving, then Bess's family showed up, and we stayed doing Christmas till almost midnight on Christmas Day. And I tell you what, the next day, not a creature was stirring, not even the mouse. Everybody was dead to the world. But we had a phenomenal time, and I hope you had a great time as well. Just a few days before Christmas, we were offered a matching funds challenge of $10,000. Subsequently, that has been increased to $12,000 to help us cover Alex's fees for his new leadership program that he's going through. It's a 3-month leadership conference up in Colorado. He needs $3,500, and we have been offered matching funds on that as well. So our total matching funds is right at $12,000. Since we received the challenge, we've only had a chance to present one video and one email. And since we presented the challenge, we've raised about $3,000 in a few days surrounding Christmas. I mean, that video went out on the 22nd, 21st, and we send out an email to about 3,000 people, and about 400 open it. And so of those 400 opened emails and showing the video on Facebook, we've had about $3,000 donated. What that leaves us is we just have a few days till the close of the year. The 31st is coming up on us as fast as a freight train, and we need some help. We need to close out our general fund at $12,000 so that we'll receive the matching funds on that last day of the year. And we're excited about the last day of the year. We're going to have an open house here at God Loves Kids, starting at 9 o'clock in the morning and going until 3. And it's just going to be a drop-in. We're going to have some Czech bakery stuff here in the morning. We're going to have some great brisket tacos here for lunch, and we're going to have other finger foods available. And so come hang out with us for 15 minutes, or come and hang out with us for 3 or 4 hours. We'll have a wonderful time of fellowship, wonderful time of fun. But part of the reason we're doing it is, well, first of all, I've always wanted to do it, and this office is very conducive to doing that. I've always wanted to spend that time of the year with friends and family, as opposed to just kind of waiting out until midnight. And then the other thing is, we've got a wonderful facilities. We've got a wonderful place to share. And hold on just a second. Will you? Just hold on one moment. These are 2 new additions to our trophy case. This is a certified copy of the Gutenberg Bible, the original Bible that came off the Gutenberg press. There's no way to afford an original Gutenberg Bible, but this is a copy, and this is an amazing copy of that Gutenberg Bible. Actually, this is only one of 2 volumes that the whole Bible came in. Look at that thing. Isn't it amazing? And look at this. This is a copy of the Martin Luther Bible. And so these are in our trophy case. You can come check it out. It is a passion for me to share this history with our community, our friends that drop by. It's exciting to have them in the house. But Alex is going to be in the house. We're going to celebrate his graduation. So from 9 to 3 on December 31st, we're going to have a drop-in, open house, hangout, fellowship time, and we want to see as many of our friends as possible on that day. And if you want to bring your check by on that day to add to the giving challenge, that would be awesome. You don't have to come, but it would be awesome for you to bring a check by on that day. It'd be a great way to give. You want to give online, push pay, all those options are available to you. You can look on the bottom of the screen right now. It's all scrolling by. And so please, please, please participate. We have right now a little over $3,000 that has been raised. We're excited about that. We didn't really have much time to put an emphasis, and we don't have a lot of time. But I know there's some people out there that want to do some end of the year giving. They've already decided to do it to God Loves Kids, and this is just a push to get those funds in so we can count them toward this challenge. It's not going to count toward the challenge if you put the check in the mail on December 31st. Now, it'll count for your taxes. That's fine. As long as it's postmarked December 31st, it'll count towards your taxes. But if you know you're going to give that check, go ahead and give it now. Give it online so that we can count it toward our matching funds challenge, and we know where we're at the end of the year. We just need $9,000 more to exceed our goal for the matching funds. And I know that most of you really have a passion for what we have a passion for. You know, it is absolutely true religion to take care of orphans and widows, to take care of the neediest children of the world and some of the neediest women in the world. I was so excited to get on my phone pictures of us feeding and giving food to large bags of food to the widows in Lutembe Beach, the area around our new campus in Uganda. And these widows were chosen simply because they got no other help from friends or family. They were truly the abandoned women of Uganda. And so our school director and campus director, William, at the time, went out and helped choose these women to receive these groceries. And it wasn't as much as I would like to have done. I would like to do more. I would have liked to have blessed 100 women in that community. But we did what we could, and we're continuing to do what we can. It's exciting for the ministry to see growth in the area of our special needs children's ministry. We're seeing growth in just about every area, and we're going to be needing brand new children's sponsors in 2019. But for right now, the focus is where needed most, our general fund. We've got to have $9,000 come in before the end of the year in order to make our matching funds challenge. And we look forward to you participating with us to help meet the needs of the neediest children of the world.